Hey everybody out there in the YouTube world, it's me, Dutch the Diesel Technician, and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be building this Craftsman offset handle ratchet. This is model number 44809D-AB. So I'm going to be rebuilding this and cleaning it, lubricating it or whatever. Pretty old ratchet. I went on ahead and polished them up and everything else. So now I'm just trying to clean the inside of it. So what I'm ready to do is take this Q-tip and wipe out the inside of it. Wipe it clean. And stick it in and get around here in the head. Clean off some of that stuff in there before we re-lubricate it. This is a pretty old tool, so this probably hasn't ever been done. Everything is probably in its original state. Now, inside of there, you have this little thing that pivots. It takes you from forward to reverse. That's what makes the gear move from forward to reverse. As you see, it sits on a little pendant in there. That's what it's balancing off of, sort of teetering off of. Okay, now I'm holding everything inside of this magnetic tray here. I keep on my part. That's how I don't lose stuff out there. I took the snap ring off with snap ring pliers, my small set, because I didn't feel as though the large ones was necessary. Okay, be right back. Let me go get my lubrication. Okay, trusty old WD-40. Can't go never wrong with this. Never can go wrong with that. Now, what I want to do is I'm just going to lubricate the inside of this thing. Get it in there. No, this thing ain't had a nice lubrication bath in a minute. I'm pretty sure it didn't. Okay, got that in there. I just ran some around there. Okay, now this is the gear. It's all it's, let me check the teeth while I'm at it. See if anything shows any signs of chipping or anything like that, because the ratchet had like a slow and long click to it. It doesn't ratchet really quick, so I thought it was maybe because of the friction and by not being lubricated. So we're going to see if that's the problem. I don't see no obvious chips or nothing like that in the gear, but we'll see. So just stick this guy back in. So I gotta put this thing like on a neutral, then you can get it in. You gotta work that switch to the center part when you're putting that back in, or else it'll be up on one side too high for you to get it back in. So that's it. Now you have this thing. This gasket has to go back on. Got that back on, and next is this snap ring. So I want to just take my pliers and work this in. Snap ring pliers. Safety always first, because these things can jump out at you. Get them in there. This thing, I had trouble getting it off too. That's why I'd rather not recorded that part of it, because it was just really arduous getting it off. Just the leverage on these joints. Just trying to get you in there, buddy. One way or another, you're going back in, so stop being so stubborn. Stop being so stubborn. That's all you gotta do. Almost thought I had it. I had it, buddy. Yep, you're going in now. You're going in now. Got the top part of it. This snap ring stubborn as hell. This damn thing takes. Oh, get in this bitch. Sometimes you gotta actually work. I think I'll just try this. Try setting it. Setting it on there already. Once you get that one side, then you gotta try to force that other side back on. Yeah, got his ass this time. Yep. And there we go. It was a mean struggle, but there we go. I can line it up with the hole, but it's in there. It ain't gonna go nowhere. Now it rolls a lot better. That's all it was. Now when it turns, it's a lot better. That's all it needs was a little love. I'm Dusty Diesel Technician. I hope this video helps somebody know how to break down a ratchet, clean it, and put it back together. You know my slogan: subscribe, keep me alive. Thanks for watching.